Hi Magazine, welcome to my real life mom life home life with Mimi. Today we'll be cleaning together, guys, as I tell you the reason why I started doing content. It was during the beginning of 2025 when I gave birth to my son, and I fell into depression, guys. I went to the hospital. They gave me the pills and they told me that I must try by all means to keep myself busy. I didn't want counseling because I was not even sure as to what was making me depressed or what was getting me depressed. So I just tried to make sure that I kept myself busy. So one of the stuff was for me to be like on internet. So that's when the idea just started that maybe if I recorded everything that I'll be doing, it will be much easier for me to even do my house chores. So if you check like on my YouTube channel, if you know if you have been on my YouTube channel, which is Mimi's Lifestyle, you will see that there was a video that I made, the first video, and I was also talking about depression, guys. Depression is something else, and sometimes when you have it, you won't even know that it is that. And most people think that when you are depressed, you're only thinking of killing yourself and whatnot. It's not always the case. Sometimes you might even be depressed and you just don't want to go out. You have mood swings, you cry for no reason. There's a lot that happens. And for me, I was always negative. Even if I get to my father's place and people are talking, it was always boring. Like I will get offended with nothing. So that's when I went to the hospital and they told me that I am depressed. So I had to take care of myself from there, guys. And I discovered that, when you're online, you're speaking to the camera, I actually used to feel like there's somebody that I'm speaking to. So I started enjoying from there and I started recording more. And, especially like cleaning videos and stuff, because I'll be recording, my phone will be there, and I'm actually doing something. So during that period, I also gained some meta family, like people here on Facebook who used to comment on my videos. Yes, and we used to interact together. Even up to date, those people, they're still around. I'm not big, but yeah, I am enjoying, and I don't even feel like I'm doing this for people. It's mostly for me, because I feel good when I do it and I record. I feel like, okay, I'm talking to somebody. At the end of the day, I'm thankful to my husband and to God, because this man really understood. He understands that sometimes women will go through some things that you don't even understand. In most cases, you can even get even worse, especially when your partner, your spouse doesn't understand what's going on. Other men, they don't believe that there's something like depression. Not just other men, other people. But this thing is real, guys. It's whereby you can't control what you think. And mostly some people, they can even kill themselves or whatnot. Yeah, if they don't get help or if they don't talk about it. I thank God, guys, now I am fine. This video went down so quick, guys. Thank you for watching. So this is how my kitchen looks 1 hour later.